Hi guys, this is just a short tutorial kung paano adjustan yung brake. It can be front or it could be the rear. So, mabilis lang na technique. So, all you need to do is have at least this kind of gadget, the 8mm. Okay? So, I'm gonna teach you how. So para to sa mga newbies. So to not really that tight. So pwede pa tong mas tighter pa. So yung pag-brake mo mas okay. So all you need to do is just make sure na itong part na to, I have to open this. Okay. Right. Tapos ito ay tinatawag na bleeding. So you have to bleed this so that the oil will actually gonna like parang sa loob nito, right? So that you can adjust your brake. Okay, let's begin. So, paluwagan mo muna to. So, it should be counterclockwise, guys. Ha? Kung paluwagan. Okay. Paluwagan ko muna. Okay. Tapos, brake. Alright. So, yun. Tapos, you have to lock. Alright. So, make sure na you wipe it after. Kasi ito ay talagang didikit sa brake mo, tapos you're gonna give damage to your this brake. And then after that, tulugan mo, tapos pump mo dito. Pump. Bisa na pag-pump. So as you can see, may changes na. Okay? Kanina parang ang luwag, ngayon mas yung pag-brake mo mas ano na, mas better yung pag-brake mo. So yun, para palaging safe. Okay, so kung hindi ka pa kontento, you can actually do still some changes on it. But for me, I think this is just a little bit okay. Tutorial lang ba? Sa brake ba? Brake. So yun, pwede mo lang i-close after. Tapos ito. So yun, mas, I think mas tighter na yung sa brake. So konting pisel lang, mag-brake na agad. Yun. So if you have some questions, if you wanted to add something, just comment to my YouTube channel. By the way, before we end the video, I've got a couple of, not couple, but there are actually shout outs, okay, that I would like to do. Shout out to King, Maven Chad Melchor, and then shout out to Mike Atribo in college, John Michael Eve Bukter, Alpray, Ampo na siya, Ampo, Lian Pinson, Hermes, Flor Jubim, and Argel. Thank you guys for the support. So don't forget to watch my upcoming videos, and thank you for all the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye for now.